8-2 work together. We have 2 steps. First, we need to list, the list of accounts shown here is taken from the general ledger of Fix-It Now. Indicate which of the accounts will appear on the company's post-closing trial balance and check all that apply. So remember, our post-closing trial balance is going to be all of our permanent accounts. Our permanent accounts are going to be our assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. So cash is an asset, petty cash is an asset, accounts receivable, supplies, and prepaid insurance are all assets. Accounts payable is a liability. Our owner's equity is going to be capital. Now, drawing is going to be a temporary account. Same with income summary, sales, advertising expense, cash short and over. Oops, why am I checking those? We don't want to check those because those are all temporary accounts and will not appear. Insurance expense, miscellaneous expense, supplies expense, utilities expense. So these top ones are going to be the ones that are our permanent accounts that appear on our post-closing trial balance. Grade step 1. Next step. Step 2 is our post-closing trial balance. It says the general ledger of Fix-It Now for the month ended April 30th of the current year is given in the question assets. We're going to prepare the post-closing trial balance. So they've already put our heading in there, or who, what, and when. They have also listed all of our permanent accounts already. And so what we need to do is we need to put in their debit or credit balances and then find in their totals. So I'm going to go first to my cash. Big thing here is that we need to make sure that we're putting it in the correct column. So my cash is a debit of $4,900. Petty cash then is a debit of $75. Accounts receivable is a debit of $1,387. Supplies is a debit of $75. Prepaid insurance, a debit of $250. Accounts payable is a credit of $267. Capital is a credit of $6,420. And then if I were to go through the rest of these, I should see that the rest of them are all zero balances, and that's why they're not listed on my post-closing trial balance. Once I have put those totals in there, once I put those balances in there, I'm then going to total up my debit and my credit column. So first I'm going to start with my debit. Make sure you have your calculator out. So my debit balance, or my debit total, I should say, is $6,687. I'm going to find my total of my credit side. And my credit total is $6,687. So my debit equals my credit here. I'm going to grade my final step. And save and continue. Okay, you can now complete the 8-2 on your own. That is also the end of chapter 8. So you will now have your application, mastery, challenge problem study guides to work on. Make sure that you pay attention to due dates.